Mind you, everything was 80% off, guys. Everything was 80% off.
Everything. Okay.
We're gonna be going, now I'm like full of perfume. Oh my god. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, if you're new here, my name is Paige. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you like unboxing videos, Coach hauls, shopping. Alright, so today we have a really exciting haul, and I'm kind of going to have to go kind of fast because I don't want this video to be too long. But I have a new handbag that we're going to open and unbox today. So this was actually a gift by one of my coworkers at work. Mwah. Love you, Zena. Thank you so much. We have a really big haul. Before I get into the Coach Originals collection and the newest bag that I'm adding to my collection from that line, I want to show you guys a few things that I got from Alter State and Aveda, and maybe a few things from a really huge Sephora Rouge collective haul slash sale. But yes, okay guys, stay tuned. So before we get into the Coach part of the video, I want to show and share, first of all, what I picked up because I got some really awesome deals on some cool things that I typically wouldn't have found like while shopping or just like being in my mall. But your girl came up on a couple things. Okay. First thing I'm going to show you guys is what I got from Aveda. I love Aveda. I don't know if you guys know, but I'm a natural. Yeah, check it out. I'm in my like dochi girl era, but yeah, I wear my hair natural, and right now they're just in Bantu knots nonetheless. So the first thing I got, Botanical Repair Strengthening Shampoo, and it just looks like this. It does a really good job at cleansing my hair, tangling the hair, not overstripping the hair and making it feel really dry. And this is now like my official first full-size bottle of it. And yeah, and it works really well in Pia's hair too. And then the next thing I got, their Scalp Solutions Exfoliating Scalp Treatment. So we love her. And Aveda is a plant and science-based hair care brand, and it's also salon quality. I can just go in with this and kind of go in straight to conditioning and deep conditioning, but if I need to use both, these work really well together. I highly recommend you guys to try this out. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be showing you guys what I got from Alter State. Well, you guys, my Alter State at my mall was going out of business. Like they were closing, like they were leaving our mall, literally leaving our mall. And my coworker told us to go down there, and we did. I went and got a few things from Alter State, more than a few things, but I'm gonna really show you guys what I got kind of quickly. All right, so let's go into the smaller bag, guys. Mainly everything in here is fragrance. Everything was 80% off. Everything, okay? And it was like the last 2 days before the doors closed. So I got their Sanctuary collection. This is one of their home fragrance starter kits. It's a plug-in with the plug-in outlet device. So the little mechanism that you would need to plug in the fragrance. These were really cheap. So I got 2 of these Sanctuary fragrance kits. And then of course, because these refills, I asked the girl, I was like, I can't use other plugins. They were like, no. So I went and got 2 more refills of their Sanctuary scent. They just look like this. Guys, these were $8 full price. When I checked out, these were like $1. So again, everything was 80% off. Then the next thing I got was this fragrance in Confidence. Show you, it just looks like this. So this is one of their fragrances in their lineup. This is number 3, Confidence. It comes in this really cute travel little container vial. They don't make a full size of this. I checked their website. I've been using this non-stop, religiously, literally. And it is such a beautiful, fresh, clean skin scent. It smells really good, like out the shower, you know, like a scent for the daytime. And I love it so much. I actually went and got it in the body mist. So this is the Confidence body mist as well. So I got that, and the packaging is super pretty. This is actually the one I'm using right now. Before they left the building, left them all for good, I had to go back for a backup. I have 2 of these. I love them so much. And I also picked up the fragrance. This is their number 1 fragrance. This is also the fragrance that you smell in their store. This is Sanctuary. So it comes like this. This is actually the auto perfume. You get like a 1.7. This one smells really good too. It's a little more earthier, but I feel like it's just nice to spray, and it's very calming. And I feel like the room fragrance is gonna be beautiful once we move. We're transitioning again right now. So yes, I got Sanctuary. Love. And so for this bag, I really want to show you guys what's in this bag. But I might save it for another video. I don't know. Because I mainly got clothing in here. And I got a lot of clothing, you guys. So since I showed you like part 1 of it, I think we'll do that because you guys have to see these pieces that I got from Altered State. Like, oh my god. The first thing I want to show you that I got from Coach was, actually, let me grab it. So the first thing that I did get from Coach was this cute little twilly green scarf. And it totally like matches my little sweatshirt. So I'll open this and show you. It's this beautiful green color. This is in the color Ivy. And this is our triangle silk scarf. So it is a petite scarf. Just kind of looks like that. You can make this a necktie. You can wear this on your bag as a really cute little set. I really want to wear it as like a neck scarf. I think this is so pretty, like that. I don't know, I think it's cute. And I have on these like little green pants, but I don't know, you guys, I think it's just like so preppy, you know? So I got this really pretty scarf and I do think it's really elevated and you can kind of like dress it up. The Coach Originals video that I posted on Instagram and here on YouTube did surprisingly well. This bag collection is picking up heat. The Coach Originals Archive collection is seriously one of my favorite collections in Coach because I'm so excited. Like I said, this was a gift from one of my coworkers from my job and I'm so grateful. I did get this around holiday. I'll show you guys. I still have red ribbon and stuff in here, but this bag is a part of the Coach Originals collection that we have out at Coach right now. It is none other than the Dinky shoulder bag in the color Hunter Green. So here she is. I am absolutely obsessed, you guys, and it comes with gold brass hardware. You also get a chain strap with a leather shoulder strap as well. It has double hang tags with the like original vintage Coach, and then on the other side it does tell you like the year and when the bag was relaunched and reintroduced. So let's open this bag and try her on. Okay, so let's take off most of this stuff. This bag retails for $2.95. This bag comes with 2 different shoulder straps, so you get this beautiful gold brass chain strap. And then you also get the leather strap version. If you want to just wear the chain as an accessory on the bag, you can. So that is why you wear the leather strap on the bag, and it just looks like this. You just wear it like that. It's super cute, and I am so excited to have added this piece to my collection, Coach Originals. So they're archived pieces, which along is like your swingers, your Hamptons hobo, your swing zips, your curve zips, and a ton of other styles, including this lovely one here, the Dinky. It's my favorite bag. It's my favorite collection in Coach. I've always been drawn to the beautiful, smooth, left-hand leather. So yeah, I love this bag. I don't have anything in this color. Hence, I don't think you guys have seen my Ray tote, but that is also in another beautiful green. That is an Amazon green, which is a lot more rich and saturated with color, and I just love this bag. And guys, I'm not gonna tie it on all perfect because girl, we ain't there yet, but you guys can get the gist of it. This cute little bag. Yes, girl. She is so adorable. I love this. This is so cute. I will totally be wearing her. I'm in my Brooklyn still. I was still carrying my Brooklyn bag in suede, which I am probably gonna cry after I move out of her because I am so obsessed with that bag and I love it. But this is just so cute. All the pieces in the Coach Archive collection are also timeless and would work with a number of different styles, different aesthetics, however you want to wear them. If you want to dress them up, more formal, more casual, she is just timeless, and I love that about Coach. I think out of like all the trendy bags and what's in, what's hot, I'm a glove tan. fangirl. Love the smoothness of it. And so yeah, I'm so excited to have this bag. I am eyeing the Cashin Crescent, and I think I really would love her in maple. Let me know down below in the comments what's your favorite collection in Coach, and if you guys are eyeing any styles from the Coach Originals collection. Okay guys, so yeah, that's what I got from Coach. Love this. I even have a really cute LA Dodgers hat too. I'm like obsessed with the green. I'm obsessed. Can you not tell? Yeah. It's a whole vibe. It's a whole vibe. Okay guys, I appreciate if you guys are still sticking around. So let's go into Sephora. Guys, we're not making it through this huge ass bag. Like, we're just not. Because this can be broken up too. But there are a ton of goodies in here that I am like dying to use and to get in here, and I feel like I can't because I am saving and hoarding all of these things for you guys. Let's go ahead and show you what I recently picked up from Sephora, because a few things I have been dying to try, and I'm like, okay, I can't wait anymore. All right, so is the Glossier You Revie Auto Perfume. And this is the actual fragrance, you guys. You guys should know, but this one is seriously the best one out of all three. I don't care what anyone says. Let me know which one is your favorite, but this is the one that I had to grab, and I've been spraying it every single day almost, and I kind of had to like put it away. I had to be like, Paige, no. You're literally gonna go through this whole entire bottle if you don't compose yourself. It's a beautiful scent right now for fall winter, but I think this is still gonna be beautiful in the spring and summer months. Because the bag is so entirely heavy, I wanna show you guys my hair mask. I have been so obsessed over hair care and deep conditioning and just taking care of our hair. Like I said, on a natural hair care journey, always, right? So the first conditioner that I had to grab and I was like so itching to get was the Fenty Hair by Rihanna. I am obsessed. Love this hair mask, and then ultimately decided that yes, this was one that I had to go in and try for myself and for Pia's hair, and this is their Richer One Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. I know you guys seen this online. I have used this already. Sorry. And I love it. I'm probably gonna use it again on my next wash day. It still has this little like protective film over it because I just kind of unscrew the whole thing and just dig my hand in. But it smells amazing. The smell is what really got me most, but it does perform. It does give hydration to the hair. It does moisturize it. It does define my hair, and it does make my hair feel stronger. And it also softens Pia's hair really well, and it is very conditioning, like very slippery in her hair. So we love it. If it works in my hair and if it works for her hair, we absolutely will definitely be a huge fan. So yes, we have the Richer One Deep Hair Mask. Okay. Then next, I was torn between Pattern Beauty's transition mask and or her treatment mask. So we went ahead and got up the treatment mask. Yeah, this is the treatment mask. I got also from Sephora. This one here is infused with rice water, moringa, seed oil, and manuka honey. So this one's really great, like if you're coming out of a protective style, or if you're transitioning, or if you use chemicals in your hair, or if you're coming out of a chemical process state and you're going into natural. Any which way your hair or whatever state it's in, the treatment mask is great for everyone, and for anyone to use monthly or like bi-weekly. I wouldn't use it every single week or like every single wash day because it is a protein treatment, but it does give beautiful elongation to the curls and gorgeous slip, and I love it. And it's formulated with the fermented rice water, which we all know and love. I love this. And then the third mask I want to show you guys, which I've been obsessing over, seeing all the rave and crave and everyone talk about the conditioner, and I was like, okay, all of the girls are talking about the Amika Soul Food hair mask. So yes, I had to get the big one. This isn't even the big one. There's another like jumbo size after this, but this is the 8 fluid ounce. This is the Soul Food Nourishing Mask. I know you guys have seen this on here 1,000 times, but if you haven't, it just looks like this. This is brand new. We haven't dug into this one yet. I am still kind of going back and forth between the Fenty and the Pattern right now. Has a sweeter smell. It's a creamy, thicker conditioner, which we love. And I do find that this actually applies and works best with heat. This works really good if you can get your hair penetrated with some heat. So yeah, so those are like my 3 hair masks that I got from Sephora, and plus a perfume. Okay, now, because we are still talking about hair, because I also picked up the travel size, the protective one. This is the protective one, 5-in-1 heat protectant by Fenty Hair. I also have been using this because I couldn't wait, but It is really good. I use this alongside with a liquid heat protectant. I spray the liquid in first and then I go in on top of this. This I really love, and I probably would end up buying the full size. They share the same scent, which I love, and it does soften the hair, and it does make blow drying and, you know, like heat taming the hair a lot easier. So I love this. Okay, the next thing I got that I want to show and share is an Hourglass concealer. This is their Vanish Airbrush Concealer, and this is like for my flesh shade. This would be like my everyday shade. This is in the color Teak, which is 9.5. Yeah, there we go. So I got it in Teak 9.5, and it just looks like this. I'll probably have to do a part 2 Altered State and Sephora haul, but this is the color Teak, and I do use this as for like more of my flesh tone. Today my foundation I'm wearing is actually the Dior Stick Foundation and the Dior Skin Concealer. The Skin Concealer, whichever one. Oh my god, this is not closing, but okay. I had to get the jumbo size of the Sol Janeiro fragrance 59. I love this. This is my favorite scent. Petey's favorite scent is 40 and 68. I like 68 too, but 59 is for sure Mama's, and it is just a really beautiful, cozy, warm scent. Like, I just love it. Next thing I got was this Salt and Stone deodorant. Salt and Stone has been very popular lately. I've been seeing it pop up all over social media and all over all the girls' feeds. I know they make skincare products, body wash, and some other skincare things, but the deodorant especially is one of their best sellers. The one that I picked up is actually neroli and basil. Took a minute to decide like which Salt and Stone deodorant I wanted, but this is what it looks like. It just comes in a packaging like this. Clean, very fresh. It is aluminum free, so it is a healthier alternative to using deodorants that may contain aluminum. It is just so clean. Oh my god. It's so clean. It is like a really good out the shower, fresh, clean skin scent. I'm getting into these skin scents. I'm like obsessed. And so the next thing I want to show you that I think is fun, or that you would care about. I got the Patrick Ta. This is one of his brush. This is Precision Sculpting Brush. So this is actually a brush for contouring. Like, I needed another brush, but I really did appreciate that his brush came angled, like, for your nose. Like, it's dual-ended. You get a little protective cover, and this is gonna be really nice to contour the nose. I haven't got to use it or try it, so I'm very happy that I get to use my new brush. I also picked up another one of my favorite lip glosses. This is like a huge Fenty haul. Fenty Gloss Bombs and Heat. So a Heat Gloss Bomb in a hot chocolate. This is my 4th Fenty lip gloss in total, and it just looks like this. It's a beautiful brown, gorgeous color, and it is a plumper. This is Fenty hot chocolate on it. Looks like this. It's a gorgeous, just looks like that. Because I work so much and I get very little rest, very little sleep, very little time to myself, I wanted to get a new eye cream. I've dabbled with eye creams, but the one that I am excited to try is actually by Glossier. This is their Full Orbit Hydrating, Brightening, Soothing Eye Cream. So this is one that you can use all over your eye. So on the lid, under the eye, in the corner of the eye. Not in the eye, but you get the gist. It's super cute. It's pink, comes in a little tube like this. This is the Full Orbit eye cream from Glossier. Has a cute little applicator tip like this, which I also can appreciate. It's so super dainty. You don't I know, it was a bit much, but